Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Aiden with Western Material Handling. Today we are extremely excited to test drive this Kalmar. This is a 52,000-pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with 8-inch forks, has ginormous, aggressively large stature air pneumatic tires. Very tight turning radius for how big this unit really is. As a freshly installed Volvo Scania 6-cylinder, 13.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine. Has a brand new transmission, the 3-speed forward, 3-speed reverse. With the side shift fork positioner. It's a 124-inch two-stage mast. Freshly installed hydraulics, brand new LED light package with lime green side markers. The interior was redone with lime green diamond stitching. Looks really nice. This unit has been gone through, serviced, reconditioned, painted, and it is ready for work. You can check it out online at abetterforklift.com or stop by any of the stores. In Torrington, Wyoming, Fort Collins, Colorado, or Palmer City, Colorado. Appreciate you for watching the video. Thank you.